Hi friends, in this session we will talk about MySQL join and we will cover all the topic like inner join, left join, right join and outer join. And we will focus on a practical part as well as theoretical part too. So let's begin. So what is join? Basically, according to the name, join is used to join two or more than two tables by using any foreign key or a related column. For example, suppose we have two tables. First is a username and the second is a pick name. Username have a two columns name and a pick ID, while the pick name has two column ID and a pick. And the username contain the name of the user and the pick name contain the profile picture of the user. The pic ID column in the username contains the ID of the profile picture. So we can easily join these two tables, username and the pic name, by using the column names pic ID of the username and the ID of a pic name. We will see this in example, but first we'll talk about the types of join. So basically we have four types of join. First is inner join or a simple join. Second is a left join or a left outer join. Third is a right join or a right outer join. And the fourth is a outer join or a full outer join. In this video, we will learn about only inner join. So let's begin. So mostly we use the inner join operation, and according to this, if we perform join operation, inner join operation on a two tables, like here we are using username and pick name, then in the result we will get the rows which are common in both the username and the pick name. You can remember the function of inner join. Just remember this pick. The first circle represents the username table and the second circle represents the pick name table. And the green portion represents the common data and also the result data after inner join operation. So it's mean that after the inner join operation we will get the common data which is common in a both the first table, that is username table, and the second is pick name table. We can understand this easily by seeing this example. We have a two tables, username and a pick name, and to get the name and the profile name corresponding to that username, we will perform this query. Select username.name, pickname.pick. Name and the pick are the column names and the username pick name are the table name. From username, that is first table, inner join, pick name, that is second table, where username.pickid equal to pickname.id, because pick id and the ids are the related columns in these two tables, so we will use these two tables to join our these two tables. So now we check this in a PHP editor and perform live query for these two tables. So this is my database and the database name is mytest, and here you can see that I have already created the table pick name and the username. If I browse this, you can see here is a name column and a pick id column, and the same data are present as we discussed in our ppt. Now go to that second table, that is pick name. Here you can see there is also two column id and a pick with the same data. Now we go to the php editor. So this is our code, and you can see that I wrote this code to connect my PHP file with the database. And if you do not about PHP database connection, then you can check my previous video too. I also created a video on this. So we will write our query here. I create a variable $SQL, and usually we will start this from a select, and because we want to get the two columns, that is name and a pick, and name column belongs to username table, whereas pick column belongs to pick name table. From now we are performing inner join operation between two tables, that is username, and the second is pick name. Now we will use where clause, and we are using two columns, that is pick id and id, to join our two tables. So pick id equal to id, and pick id belongs to username table, and id column belongs to uh, pick name table. So if the query performs successfully, then we will get the number of rows greater than 0, and MySQL fetch associate function return the data in an associative format. So by using this, we can get the we can get the name and the pick name of from the tables username and the pick name table respectively. So if you don't know about this, then please check my previous video. So now I save this and check out on my browser. Is it working or not? If it is working right, then we will get the two rows which are common in our example. The If we check out our example, then you can see that this first row and the second row are same in a both. Pick id 1 is present in a pick name table, and the pick id 2 is present in the pick name table. So go to the code and localhost slash so you can see that we get that here two rows. First is name Akshay, and the profile pic name is Akshay.png, and the second row name is Mohan, and the profile pic name is Mohan.png. So, and in an example, you can see that here is a first row and the second row Akshay Mohan in a username table, and ID 1 and 2 in a pick name table, and these two rows are only common. So it is a simple example of an inner join. If you have any doubt, you can comment in a video, and if you want this code, then you can send me your email id and comment your email id. Now, one important thing, if you want to learn more about PHP programming, then you can check my other videos too. And I also shared a link of Amazon where you can buy the best book for PHP. And if this video helped you, then you can like and subscribe for up to date my new videos. Thanks for watching.